Hi, ladies and gentlemen. The time has come. It's time to look and feel your best. It's time for Love Touch to bring my beauty back. The wait is over. The glow is returning. It's time. So it burns like crazy the second it hits, but you already know. She knows it already, so we have to keep going. And I can't stop. So I had to tell her to join our teeth together, knowing the pain is part of the process. Each spray is sharp biting but necessary. So the scent is strong, the feeling intense, but beautiful calls keep coming in and she was about to pick it. So with the pain that was so intense, she couldn't. She had to drop it down. But I just have to still continue because at the end of everything, the result always worth it. You may wonder what is causing the pain. So I retouch her hair to make sure the hair laid down very well and smooth. So the chemical in the relaxer such as sodium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide, it attends to make our scalp, irritate our scalp or burn our scalp. Although it doesn't really burn, but immediately you retouch and you make gel, definitely it's gonna hurt. So baby girl, sorry. Using petals gel and my fine tooth comb to draw a clean line, lifting each section with a practice hand and applying a small amount of gel with my fingertips and smoothing it carefully along the roots of the pattern hair, practicing it down with firm strokes, then gel glades under the tight terms every loose or strength. So I move to the next pattern, repeating the process, comb. So I walk through a hairline, slowly patting it section by section with the tip of my comb. Each line was clean, deliberately scalp exposed in neat row with a gel on my fingertips. So I smooth each section down, pressing it flat as I move across our hair like an actor's working on a cover. So I'm using the gel and my toothbrush to lay down every strands beautifully and timing every whips and curls. As I finish one section, I move to the next, patting it again, applying smoothly until the whole hair climbs with precision. Okay, so I begin to gather the hair now, pulling it back carefully, gently tying it into a ponytail. So I'm repeating the same process, working through a hairline slowly, patting it section by section with the tip of a comb, of my comb. So each line was clean. You can see how I'm doing it deliberately. Our scalp is neat roll. So with the base of the ponytail that I've secured, wrapping it, I will later pick up the bundle of the hair soft full and I'll be ready to sew in with thread and needle. Okay, positioning the widths of the hair natural pony. Okay, so I begin sewing it, stitching bits carefully, stitching, wrapping the extension, wrapping the hair extension around the base as the needles weaved in and out. So I'm pulling the thread on but smooth so the hair blended in perfectly. I'm adding more volume and length with each passes the hair. So I'm still repeating the process, wrapping the hair around the natural ponytail, okay, that I've already secured. And oh my god, the ponytail is looking sharp. So I picked out a few baby hair out of her edges. Then I'm using my gel, make sure it stays down no matter how much gel I use. Okay. Hey, look, it's catching the light. It is subtle sparkle from the gel that held it perfectly in place. Oh my god, look at the polished look. Our style was simple, yeah, yet captivating. So well polished and so beautiful. So guys, give me a thumbs up.